Hello viewers, welcome to Messy Healthy Kitchen. If you are new to this channel, you are highly welcome. Feel free to share our video, like and subscribe to the channel. Turn on your notification bell so that you will be the first to know when I upload a video. So today we're going to prepare a very good and delicious Nigerian jollof rice for lunch. You know, here in Nigeria the weather is so cold, so we're going to enjoy this weather with our very hot Nigeria party jollof rice. So in our ingredients we'll have 4 cups of nicely washed parboiled rice, 2.5 cooking spoon of vegetable oil. We'll have our bay leaf, 1 tablespoon of thyme, 2 tablespoons of my homemade spices, 1 teaspoon of turmeric, half teaspoon of blended nutmeg, beef stock, our chopped onions. I use 3 large onions for these 4 cups of rice, both for cooking and blending of tomatoes. Here is our blended tomatoes. I blended it with tatashe, shombo, pepper, ginger, garlic and onion. And I simmer it down for 30 minutes to reduce the excess water. We'll have our tomato paste, 1 tablespoon of margarine, chicken seasoning powder, seasoning cube and salt. So let's start cooking. This jollof rice is going to be very fast and easy to cook. So my pot is already on the fire and it's dry. So I will add my vegetable oil to the dry pot, add my bay leaf, allow it to simmer just for 1 second, and I will add my chopped onions. Stir it very well. And I will add my tomato paste. And I will stir all for 5 minutes. Then I will add my thyme, that's the dry thyme, and I'll stir very well as well. Then I'll go ahead and add my blended tomatoes that comprises of shombo, tatashe, garlic and all that. I will stir it very well. Then I will add my homemade spices, turmeric and grounded nutmeg. Stir it as well. Then I will add my seasoning cube and salt. And I will cover it to simmer. So as you can see, my stew is ready and is ready for the next stage of the jollof rice. Like I told you, this is a very quick one because the rice is already parboiled. I reduced the quantity of stew, as you can see, because it's much for the quantity of rice I'm cooking. So I will add my chicken powder and seasoning cube. Please add seasoning to your taste. So I will go ahead and add my washed rice. Stir it very well to mix up with the stew. and I will add my beef stock. Add a little more water. That will be enough to cook the rice. You know the rice is already parboiled, so you don't need to add too much water to avoid cooking rice akamo. So I will stir it very well. And I will cover it to cook. So this is less than 15 minutes and the rice is ready. I will add my 1 tablespoon of margarine, my chopped onions, and I will give it a good and a quick stir. And the food is ready. This rice is really delicious and a very quick one. So this is the best to enjoy this too much rain and the cold weather here in Nigeria. So feel free to join me. If you have not subscribed to our channel, please click the subscribe button, like and share our video. If you enjoyed this video, please give your girl a thumbs up. Bye bye. See you soon.